If you are not using this method for pork chops, you are missing out. They're thin, they're little, they're gonna cook up real fast. We're gonna pan fry these, so we gotta start by patting them dry. Now let's season them. Salt, pepper, and paprika. Of course, you can use whatever seasoning you want. Turn it over, do the same. These pork chops are gonna fry best V-bottomed fry pan like cast iron or even stainless steel. You've gotta really heat the pan. So the pan is nice and hot, you gotta heat the oil. About 2 tablespoons of canola oil. It's an oil that can take the high heat. You've got the sizzle. Heat up the pan, heat up the oil. Put the food in. You just gotta let it sit. Don't start stirring it right away. Let that crust form. Nice golden crust. If you want to get those edges, you can do that. Fresh thyme, garlic, and our butter. I'm gonna go have my supper now.